In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set email signature in Microsoft Outlook Fast 2025 guide. We're going to set up a professional email signature and make sure Outlook uses it automatically so your messages look consistent every time. This works in the new Outlook for Windows, on Mac, and in Outlook on the web, and the process is very similar across all of them. Start by opening Outlook. On a Mac, click the Outlook menu at the top of your screen. On Windows or the web, click the Settings gear in the upper right. From there, choose Mail to open the Mail settings. Then select Compose and Reply. This is the page that contains everything related to signatures and message composition. Scroll down until you find the email signature section. Click New Signature to create one. Give your signature a short, clear name you'll recognize later, like Work, Personal, Sales, or Support. Naming matters if you plan to have more than one, because you'll be able to switch between them easily. Now type or paste the signature content. You can include plain text like your title and company, a logo or small image, social media icons, and links to your website or calendar. Use the formatting tools to add bold text, color, size changes, and spacing so it's easy to read. Keep images modest in size to avoid bloated emails, and stick to one or two fonts for a clean look. If you're pasting from another source, give it a quick tidy to remove odd spacing. Clear, scannable signatures work best on both desktop and mobile. Next, tell Outlook when to use this signature. For new messages, choose the signature you just created so it's added automatically to brand new emails. For replies and forwards, you can select the same signature or choose a shorter version. Many people prefer a streamlined reply signature that keeps threads tidy while still providing key contact details. When you're finished, simply close the settings window. Outlook saves changes automatically, so there's no separate save button to worry about. The next time you compose a message, your chosen signature will appear based on the options you set. If you ever need to adjust it, come back to Compose and Reply, edit the content, or switch which signature applies to new messages and replies. That's it. You've created a polished, reusable signature and set Outlook to apply it exactly when you want. Keep it updated whenever your role, phone, or links change. And you'll always make a professional impression with every email you send.